Well, thanks for visiting us at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Morses with your Wednesday morning forecast update. We've got some wonderful weather lined up today, especially as we head into the afternoon. The day will start out with a bit of a chill as we're seeing those temperatures drop into the mid-30s and even the low 30s. We do have a few locations at that 32-degree mark, including Minden. So we're on the lookout here for some freezing temperatures, and don't have any more freezing temperatures in the 7-day forecast after today and maybe for the foreseeable future, as we've already hit that point where we expect the last freeze across the region here. So this very well could be the last time that many of us do see the freezing temperatures this winter as well as spring. Light wind, and again, winds about 5 miles per hour today. We're on the lookout, just given that we do have a freeze in some locations, for some fog to set up. If we did see some fog, it could be freezing fog, which can sometimes put a glaze of ice on some of the bridges and overpasses. But so far, so good. Looks like maybe some patchy fog from Shreveport down through Mansfield and Manning. We'll warm up pretty quickly today. We should be around 60 degrees by noon, and then highs 2, 3 p.m., maybe even 4 p.m. today, winding up in the mid-60s in all locations. And there's the lows tonight, 30s, as well as a few locations in the low 40s. So again, everybody will be above freezing. Still a pretty cold night tonight, and maybe see a few changes as we move through the day Thursday. We've jumped to Thursday here. Nothing to see on FUTURECAST today, since we'll just see the sunshine, and we'll start out with some sun tomorrow, but eventually turning partly to mostly cloudy in the afternoon. This is ahead of our next cold front, which will roll in pretty early in the day on Friday, and you can see a few showers popping up perhaps for the morning commute on Friday, but it really looks like thunderstorm activity will be at the low end with this front. May not even see much, if any, thunderstorm activity, and you can see there will be some rain out there through the afternoon as well. So if you have some outdoor plans Friday afternoon, Friday evening, could see a lingering rain shower here, but by the time we hit the weekend, things drying out for us and looking pretty nice for the upcoming weekend. On the lookout for rain here, of course, with the lakes and rivers running pretty high. We'd like to avoid any heavy rain, and that will be the case for us on Friday as FUTURECAST continues to show maybe a quarter inch of rain or less in most areas, so that's not going to do anything to aggravate those already high-running waterways here across the region. And a look at your 7-day forecast, which sets up comfortably for us. Again, the coldest high temperature will be on Friday at 60 degrees. Weekend looks wonderful. Find some outdoor plans. I know many of us were cooped up this last weekend because of the rain that we had out there, but this weekend, again, should see a mix of sun and clouds. Highs comfortably in the 60s, and we'll warm it up next Monday, Tuesday into the mid-70s. If that were an 8-day forecast, it would show some rain and thunderstorms likely coming in next Wednesday.